Alan Adelstein is president of American Recorder Technologies. Met him at a trade show a couple years back, and really cool guy. And so is his wife. Really, really nice people. American Recorder Technologies is online and a store that has a bazillion, I guess probably thousands of useful tools for mainly the pro audio industry, those who are into audio and video and photography and so forth. Anyway, in this episode, I'm going to be talking about a couple of tools that he turned me on to for cleaning plugs and jacks. So first met Alan a couple years back at a trade show where he and I were both exhibiting right next to each other, and he and his wife were manning his booth, American Recorder Technologies, and so we at times had an opportunity to get to know one another. And he learned that I was a drummer. I had my sticks that sometimes I, just kind of, do some rudiments, just with some rubber tips on the sticks, just to kill time and keep my chops up. Anyway, so then I saw him at NAMM, and this was just this last January, and then I saw him at the Southern California show this last June, and he remembered that both my son and I are drummers, and he brought this tool, and I believe that Alan designed it himself. This is he calls it the drummer's wrench, if I remember right. Yeah, the drummer's wrench, and it has all these tools on it. This is heavy. This is a serious piece of stainless steel. All of it, this is really quality. And then on top of that, it's got a drum key down here. So anyway, very cool. And I thank him for this universal tool with a drum key on it. And then it also comes with a holster, a belt holster. So anyway, then at this last show, I was talking to him about how I miss this device. I think this was Signant that came out with this like in the 80s, maybe early 80s, mid 80s, and it cleans RCA jacks, both male and female. And they don't make these things anymore, and they're fragile, they break, and so forth. And anyway, he says that he has a new tool. I think it's kind of new. That actually there's two tools. And so anyway, he sent these to me. And one tool is for XLR plugs, and it has a brush on one end, and then for the plug on the other end, and it comes with a little tube of DeoxIT cleaner. And I'll give you the details on the DeoxIT and how well that works. But anyway, I thought it was this is a great tool, and so I wanted to share it with you, because I did a video years ago. It was one of the first videos that I did. In fact, I'll put a link into it about cleaning, depending on where you live, especially if you're near salt water, you should be cleaning your electrical contacts at least once a year, if not twice a year. I typically do it when we change to daylight savings time and back again, so that's kind of my reminder to do it. And so I just go from one end of my system all the way to the other, and it really makes a difference in the sonic quality. So, and I recommend that people do that. So this comes right alongside. It just makes things cleaning contacts and plugs a whole lot easier. So we'll start out with the XLR connector, which is this small one. And I've got an adapter here that got a couple of adapters here. And so I can show you the quarter inch and the XLR. So this is the XLR, and so for the pin side of the XLR, you would use this, and you put a drop of DeoxIT on this little foam receptacle here, and then you place it over each pin, and you just go back and forth, and you give it a twist as you do, and you'll clean the pin very easily that way. And then on the other end, you would use this brush and just go inside like so. I don't know if you can see that well, but anyway, you would just go inside, and same thing, you're just going back and forth to each of the pins after putting a drop of DeoxIT on the brush. It just works super well, better than anything I've ever had. So I really like it. And then for the quarter inch jacks, you've got the brush again for I'm right-handed and my light is to the left. So you just, like this, and then for the jack, same thing. So this is probably easier to see. You're just going to be doing this after putting a drop on the foam. So wonderful tool. So there's an XLR and there's a quarter inch. So the DeoxIT, let's talk a little bit about the DeoxIT. So Keg makes DeoxIT. The company is Keg, and they've been around for a really long time, and they're well known in the pro audio world. I have got a bunch of their products. This one is a fader one for consoles, and I don't think they make it anymore. This is the most common one, the DeoxIT D5. And then I've got, several other different, they make a bunch of different things. And American Recorder Technology has them all available. So, AmericanRecorder.com is the place to go and see all the DeoxIT things. But anyway, what it is, it's a contact connector treatment. And, you think about the dozens or hundreds or maybe even thousands of electrical contacts that are in your system. And what it does is it dissolves oxides and sulfides that form on metal surfaces, and it restores the contact's integrity. In addition, it leaves this thin microscopic layer that protects the metal. So special additives are in this liquid, or available also in a spray. These additives improve the conductivity and prevent dissolved oxides from reattaching by keeping them in a suspension and allowing them to be easily dispersed by the mechanical action of the contact. So where would you use it? Any metal-to-metal contacts or conductive plastics. It doesn't harm any conductive plastics. So any plugs and jacks like XLRs and RCAs and USBs and HDMIs and Ethernet and switches and relays, etc. Even battery contacts. So what's different about it? It's not just a cleaner of dirt. It removes oxidation and surface sulfides that actually attach themselves and become an integral part of the contact metal. It's the only true method of eliminating oxidation and surface sulfides, and it's by this chemical action and reaction. In addition, it improves the connection by acting as a surface lubricant and protectant. If you don't want that lubricant and protectant, as some very serious audiophiles may not, then you can remove that after cleaning it with the DeoxIT. You can remove the DeoxIT I'd use a 90% alcohol, rubbing alcohol solution. Not a 70, a 90%. Just so that, if you're that kind of guy and you don't want anything left behind, that's the way to go. So there you go. A great contact cleaning tool from American Recording Technologies. You can buy it direct online at AmericanRecorder.com. Thanks, Alan. Thank you so much for watching this episode. And if you would like to see more, click here or here. And don't forget to go to avroomservice.com to see how we can help you make the most of your listening experience.